Maybe the principal characteristics of the verbs that are conjugated in the simple present tense is the extra s added at the end of the verb when we are talking about the third person. However, there are some rules that are applied to the verb according to the following characteristics. First, if the verb already ends in s, ch, sh, x, z, and o, is necessary to add es instead of s, like kiss, kisses, catch, catches, finish, finishes, fix, fixes, buzz, buzzes, do, does. Second, if the verb ends in y and is not preceded by a vowel, you can replace this letter and add ies, like this. Study, studies. Carry, carries. But if the verb ends in y preceded by a vowel, just add an s. For example, delay, delays. Destroy, destroys. Finally, keep in mind that if you are talking about the first, the second, and the third person of the plural, the verb can serve its natural form. For example, we learn English very quickly. To learn more about this topic, visit our lesson of present simple in our English course.
GCF Aprende Libre, creando oportunidades para una vida mejor.